Hey guys, today I'm talking to the homeowners, current homeowners, and future homeowners about how you can save money monthly through a refinance in two different ways. And I'm also going to give you two reasons why you should consider refinancing today. This is Mike Colantone, and I'm a loan officer with Geneva Financial, NMLS number 1662178, and let's get into it. So to get started on the two different types of refinances, first one is what's called a rate and term refinance. So this is a little bit more self-explanatory. Obviously, if your current interest rate is at a certain rate and I can go ahead and reduce it, you're going to instantly see savings by reducing interest rate. The other side of the rate and term is the term. So if you go from a 30-year fixed to a 15-year fixed, you are going to save yourself a ton of money through lifelong interest. Obviously, the less you're paying the bank, or the less amount of time that you're paying the bank, you're going to save yourself thousands or hundreds of thousands by doing so in a quicker fashion and not paying interest. Another side of this as well is if you go from a 30-year fix to a 15-year fix, depending on your loan amount and what your current loan terms are, you may be able to reduce this and refinance this while keeping the same monthly payment currently, but be able to skip out on tons of years and be able to pay your home off quicker. The second way, or second type of refinance and how you can save you money, is what's called a cash out debt consolidation refinance. So immediately you hear the terms cash out and you may think, Mike, I don't want to owe anything further on my home. Well, the reason why this makes sense is because of the type of debts that us Americans have. So if you own a car and that interest rate is higher than your current mortgage, or let's say you have student loans, or some of the worst debt to have is credit card debt and you feel like you can't get ahead on it, well, what you can do, depending on the value of your home or how much equity you have, is you can roll in or consolidate all that other debt into your mortgage payment. And then that, by doing so, you're saving money on interest, and you're also putting debt into an asset versus a liability. Unfortunately, your car is most likely never going to be worth what you bought it for. So why not put that debt into an asset that appreciates over time and be able to leverage it? And also, mortgage rates and terms are usually better than any kind of car, student loan, credit card rate and terms. So why not relieve yourself some money monthly? There's plenty of stories out there of people doing this. So now I want to get into the two reasons why you should consider a refinance today. So reason number one is rates. So you may be hearing it quite often on the news lately. You hear about Fed rate cuts, even though they don't directly correlate with mortgages. You just hear a lot that rates are pretty good, and there is truth to that. Rates are at some of the lowest we've seen nationally, lowest we've seen historically, and that's a great thing. So the lower the rates are, that means more savings and more reason why you as a homeowner should talk to me about refinancing. Reason number two is property values. So opposite to rates, values are going up. So what does that mean for you and your current home? That means it's worth more, and that means equity. Equity is a magic word. It helps in all sorts of types of ways, whether you're doing a rate and term or a cash out refinance. The more equity you have, the better your pricing's going to be, the better your rate's going to be, and the more leverage you have. The more equity, the more cash you can take out or more debt you can consolidate. So this is a great time because your home is worth or at some of the highest values we've seen in a while. So to sum everything up again, two ways of refinancing is one, rate and term, or two, cash out debt consolidation. And two reasons why you should consider refinancing today and contacting me is rates are great, and two, property values are some of the highest that we've seen lately. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or anything I can do for you. And thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.